One of the coolest ways to get a 100-inch virtual display on your laptop is to use a VR headset or a smartphone with a VR viewer. This method allows you to immerse yourself in a virtual environment where you can see your laptop screen as a giant projection. Here's how to do it. First, you need a VR headset that can connect to your laptop via HDMI or USB. Some examples are Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, or Windows Mixed Reality headsets. Alternatively, you can use a smartphone with a VR viewer, such as Google Cardboard, Samsung Gear VR, or any other compatible device. In this case, you also need a software that can stream your laptop screen to your phone, such as Trinus VR, Evry, or RiftCat. Next, you need to install a software that can create a virtual display for your laptop. There are many options available, but some of the most popular ones are Virtual Desktop, Big Screen Beta, and Immersed. These software allow you to customize the size, shape, and position of your virtual display, as well as the background and ambient sound of your virtual environment. You can also interact with your virtual display using your mouse, keyboard, or VR controllers. Finally, you need to launch the software and connect your VR headset or smartphone to your laptop. You should see your laptop screen appear as a 100-inch virtual display in front of you. You can adjust the settings according to your preference and enjoy the immersive experience of having a giant screen on your laptop.